SWT MAT1. Application for banner hot air welders. Welding PVC TPo banner tent tarpaulins. Support overlap welding. Turn on the power. Set the temperature to 580 degrees Celsius. Set the speed to 5.5 meters per minute. Wait for the temperature to reach the set temperature. Put down the welding nozzle and the machine will weld automatically. After welding, the welding nozzle is returned to the original position and the machine stops running automatically. Set the temperature back to 0. Set the speed to 0. Wait for temperature to cool down. Turn off the power.